Hello everybody, I am so excited to make this video. I waited to get out of football practice and everything. I was so excited for this video for some reason. Okay, I watched Stranger Things 3, Season 3, all night last night. Let me just say, Season 1 and 2, Season 2 was bleh. Season 1 was pretty good. This show was nowhere near my top. I thought it was an okay show. Watching Season 3, that season alone made the show the greatest show I've ever seen in my life. I love season 3. It is the greatest season of any TV show I've ever seen. It has a lot of emotion, a lot of relationships and stuff like that. I'm just gonna hop into a little something. Stranger Things main character tier list. I'm gonna get into detail on why and why and why and why. Are you ready? I'm gonna start off with Will being a B tier. The reason for being a B tier is because he didn't have a lot to do in season 3. He was kind of just the outsider. All of his friends were getting girlfriends, and he just wanted to play D&D, which, you know, um, he he figured out they weren't kids anymore, and he's starting to realize that he really didn't have that big of a part. In season 1, he was the main character, I would say. He got all the attention. Season 2, kind of, yes. In season 3, he didn't get as much attention, which I understand, because if he gets a bunch of attention like season 1 and season 2, he's not if he's not the main character, he's not going to get all the attention, the next season, if you understand what I'm saying. Season 3 is my favorite. A lot of this is going to be based on season 3. I'm sorry, that might make some of y'all mad. Will's a B. He's one of the most important characters, but in the season 3 he didn't really do much. I'm just gonna say that. Steve, I'm gonna say he's my favorite character in the whole show. He started off as a douchebag. He was a jerk. He was a bully. And then halfway through season, he was pretty cool. Like he'd stand up for all the kids and stuff. Season 2, Billy came and they did not like each other. And season 3, he was so funny, so cool. I don't know why I like him so much. I don't understand. He's my favorite character in the show. And I'll tell you what my second favorite character is. Bob. I don't think he's the. I love Sean Astin. Goonies is my favorite movie ever. That's why I like him so much. I didn't like his character, Bob. People would get mad at me for that. He was okay, yeah. He's definitely not the worst on this list, I'm going to say, because I see someone that's going to be worse. Oh, tied. It's about the worst tier I'm going to get. All of characters are great. Okay, let's go with Max. Max, I'm going to give a top of the B tier. Let's just say she's okay. She's okay. She's like she's like a boy kinda. She's like a boy trapped in a girl's body. It's pretty much who she is. Um, she was getting 11 to get into more to be herself. You know, it was funny because everything she would teach 11 would use in every single sentence, every single situation. I dump her. Okay, Billy. I'm gonna put Billy in. He's. I like Max more than I like Billy. That's where I'm gonna put him. These two. I'm gonna put Will on the bottom of B. I love Noah Schnapp. He's probably my favorite out of all of them. Him and Gaten. And I like all the actors. I love Noah Schnapp though. But Billy, he had a lot to do in season 3. He was one of the main. Let's just say, spoilers are gonna come in this. Spoiler right now if you're watching. Billy did die, but he sacrificed, so he was a main villain. I guess you could say, after the Mind Flayer took him over and he got this little clan, which is referencing Day of the Dead or whatever. He was an amazing character. He was an amazing villain. And at the end, when Elle sees the memories with his mom before she died, everything, he sacrificed his life to save 11. So, I'm gonna put him at B because at the end he came out saving his life. Barb, C, top of C. Sorry, that might make some of y'all mad. She was such a good person in the show. She died, and that was like, she might be the most important person in season 1 that like built the show. I didn't really like her character. I didn't care for her. I don't care if she died. It was just like, oh, that sucks. I wasn't affected by it. That's how I'm gonna put her. I'm sorry, that might make some of y'all mad. I'm gonna put Erica, I believe her name was Erica, the bottom of B. Again, that's gonna make some of y'all mad, but she was really funny. She calls everyone nerds. She was like a small part of them all. I really hated her. She annoyed me until she actually became part of that group. With Robin and Dustin and all that, and Steve. She really came together to be a part of that group. It was actually a big piece and heartbeat, and she was a big part of it. So I'm just gonna put her at B. She was like a D or F before that, but she actually came together. Okay. I'm gonna put Mike in the top of B. I'm sorry. I love Finn Wolfhard. He's awesome. Um, I like him in It more than I do in Stranger Things. He definitely deserves to be in Stranger Things. He's just not my favorite kid ever. Should make sense. Let's go with Robin. Robin is the top of B. It's rare to get these two for me. Robin is an amazing character. She comes out at the end being a lesbian, which Steve actually supports and everything. Um, that part made me upset, made me mad because I wanted them to get together really, really bad. And when she said that, I was like, damn, they're not actually. It was kind of upsetting. Okay, she's a nerd, just like Erica would say. She is a nerd. Um, she Silvercat, she kind of discovered it all. She got the clues from Dustin intercepting the Russian thing on the radio or whatever. Murray, I really like Murray. I really like Murray. This might be top of B. Sorry, I do love Murray. He's awesome. He's funny. I don't want to put him in A. He wasn't through the whole season. Kind of came towards the end. You know, um, he's bald eagle, as Dustin would say. He's bald eagle. Okay. Alexi. What's his name? Right? Alexi Shermandoff or something like that. A. Love him. I love him. And let's just say, I was more affected by his death than I was Billy and Hopper. I know Hopper's not dead. He's definitely not dead. I'll get to that later. I was more affected by his death because he was so happy. He was so happy when he got shot by rip-off Arnold Schwarzenegger, whoever that guy was, the Russian dude with the motorcycle. I was so affected. He was so excited about getting this thing from Popping Balloon. He's like, it's not rigged, it's not rigged. He was all happy. Murray was ha 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 because he had what's his name? Roadrunner stuff. He was having a great time, and the Arnold Schwarzenegger dude went up with the silencer and said traitor and just shot him in the stomach. And he died, and I was so upset about that. He was so happy when he died. It just really hurt my heart for some reason. Joyce, I do like Joyce a lot. And the only reason I don't like her as much because she gets annoying at times. I'm gonna put her at the top of B. That's where everyone seems to be going. I know. I just think she belongs there. I don't think she's an A. A lot of people do. Like I said, it's hard to get up there. But this character right here, my second favorite character, Hopper. I love him so much. he's not dead, and I'll tell you why. In the post credits, he said not the American, right? Because they threw this Russian in a Demogorgon thing or whatever guy. They got a guy at a jail cell, put him in the Demogorgon, whatever, cage, and he got eaten. But before that, they were gonna go to this one cell, but the other Russian was like, no, not the American. They were calling Hopper the American the whole time. I don't know why that wouldn't be him. They didn't show him die. He's not dead. Okay, I was really upset. Even though I knew he wasn't dead, when 11 read that message and they were all moving, I cried. I did cry. It was so sad. He's not dead. He's gonna come back. And how I think he's gonna come back is 11, right? She's gonna wanna see memories with her and Hopper, right? And something's gonna happen, and she's gonna see him in that cell, or in the Upside Down, whichever. If that's not the American, she's gonna see him in the Upside Down and realize he's not dead, and they're gonna try and get him back. That's exactly what's gonna happen. I'm betting. 11, S tier. Um, she's an S tier. I love Millie Bobby Brown. She's awesome. 11 is awesome. She saves everyone with their powers. She's just cool, and yeah, I guess I don't know. Hand motions. Dustin, S. He's gonna be right there for the S. Dustin is awesome. I love Dustin. I love Gaten Matarazzo. He's like my favorite actor out of all of them, probably. I really like Gaten Matarazzo. He's so funny, and his laugh is hilarious. And he's just a cool dude. It'd be awesome to meet him because we're about almost the same age. 3 years different. Okay, that's kind of far actually, but I'm almost the same. I'm older than this chick. Let's just say that. Okay, Lucas, B. I'm gonna put him. I like him more. He doesn't. He does. Okay, okay, when he threw that firework in the Mind Flayer's face, dude, that was the greatest thing ever. Let's just say my favorite Stranger Things season 3 moment is when Dustin was singing with Susie, who was actually real. That was pretty funny. Yeah. So Lucas, he's really funny. He makes jokes, but I don't think he does enough to make me like love him. I do like his Caleb McLaughlin. I do like him, but I don't think I want him to do more. Let's just say that. I really like not Susie. Nancy. I really like Nancy. I'm gonna put her in the A tier. And Jonathan, I'm gonna put him at the way bottom of B. I do like his character. I don't really have much. I love Nancy. She can fight. Well, she usually uses guns. She's funny, and she discovers stuff. I don't know why I like her. I like her actor too. She's from Nashville too. So. And Jonathan, the only problem I had with Jonathan, them two really didn't do much. Yeah, they fought the Mind Flayer thing in the hospital, and all the flays or whatever they call them, flays, were in the hospital attacking them, their ex-bosses and stuff. That was awesome. Besides that, they didn't really show signs that they were a couple. They didn't kiss, they didn't hug that much until the end where they did, but I don't know, they're supposed to be a couple and they don't do a lot like that because they were too busy to fight. They're too busy fighting, I should say. Anyways, that means he's my first, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are my top 5 characters. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means those are my... I might want to change this out. I like him more than her. That's gonna do it. Stranger Things 3 is out on Netflix. Go watch it if you haven't. Come back, because it's the spoilers. And peace, guys. Love y'all. Love this show. Can't wait for season 4. Bye.